Hey guys, it's Frankie Martinez here with How to Tile Like a Pro, and I got an email this week from an architect friend of mine about a piece of slab and some tile around his kitchen sink that was actually lifting. So he sent me this picture, and as you can see, the tile is actually just lifting up. So we're gonna go take a look at it today, examine it, and see what we can do to fix it and help him out. He doesn't really want to do a kitchen remodel right now. If we could patch it up for him, we're gonna make him happy. So let's go see what we can do to help this look a lot better than it is and hopefully last a lot longer for him. All right, let's check it out. All right, so here it is. As you can see here, it's about 3/8 high. So I looked underneath the sink and under here, and there's no water damage underneath the sink. So it looks like, if you could see through here, let me see if I can put a light there. It looks like you can see a lot of rust. So it looks like the metal bar under this slab got a lot of water and it rusted, and it's like splitting open. So what we're gonna do is, luckily he's got a few extra of these pieces here, but you could see it's this little hairline crack. I don't know if you can see it through there. It's white, and that means that this piece is cracked too. So this water damage, or maybe even just because this one's moving up, it could cause a tension on this piece as it's lifting too. Obviously it cracked there, but it's in one piece, so we'll leave that alone. We're gonna take off these pieces here, this big long piece here, this inner piece here because it's raised with it, this guy, and these two little ones all raised with it. So we're gonna take all those off, see if we could find out what we can do to solve the substrate here. And maybe if we could just take that off or grind down some of that metal, put something else there, and flatten these back up, we should be able to patch it up. So let's check it out. This is a tool I like to use to cut out the grout joints. It's got this very thin carbide blade that you just put right in here, and it seems to cut out the grout joint really well without a lot of dust, which is awesome. So let's give it a shot and see what we can do here. Well, it looks like the adhesive wasn't the problem because these guys are on tight. It's just the water that caused this metal to swell up. That's the only problem. This one might be good to leave on. We can cut this here, make a joint, and just attach that. All right guys, as you can see, this is a problem definitely caused by water damage, and how you can prevent this from happening in your kitchen is to make sure that the perimeter of your sink is completely sealed with silicone, some kind of caulking, so there are no gaps or holes. As long as there's no gaps, water is not going to get where it's not supposed to, and you will not have any problems in your sink. So this one had metal, so it kind of raised up. If it was wood, sometimes it sinks down or just caves in. So make sure that that joint is sealed and you'll be fine. And if you don't know how to do that, it's something you can definitely do yourself. You can watch this video right here. It shows you exactly how to do that. And if this video helped you out, it would do me a great favor, since I'm new to YouTube, if you would subscribe, push that red subscribe button there, like this video. It helps YouTube know that I'm making content that's helping people, and it'll help promote this channel and let more people see it. Here you see the finished product. I was so grateful to be able to fix this for my friend. He is very happy, and so am I. It looks very good. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.